What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Now in today's video, all right, I had a few people in the comments asking me how I was able to get the BMW i Chime. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's get into it. And like always, in today's video we are going to be using the iVGate Pro. This is what you guys will need to connect your car to your app, BimmerCode, right? This ran me $30 on Amazon. There are multiple other ones that you guys can purchase. I'll throw links to all of them in the description. So if you guys want to cop this one, the one that I have, it will be up in there. If you guys want to cop any of the newer ones, it will be up in there as well. And you guys are also going to need this BimmerCode, all right? BimmerCode is offered on the iOS system and also the Google Play Store, all right? This app, I think now it is either $35 or still at $30 of when I bought it, all right? So first thing you guys want to do is you want to take your iVGate Pro, right, and plug it into the OBD port, which is located down here, and just make sure that you got that light going on, right? All right. So the second thing you guys want to do is actually hop into your settings on your phone and go into the Wi-Fi settings. So yeah, you just want to go into your Wi-Fi settings and make sure you are connected to V-Link. That is, of course, if you guys are using the VGate Pro. If you guys are using the MHD, I'm sure it says MHD on it, or if it's VPeak, it'll say VPeak. Any of those, just make sure that you're connected to its Wi-Fi. Then what you guys want to do is just hop into BimmerCode and press connect. So yeah, you guys just want to hop into BimmerCode and press connect, and as you can see, it's going to automatically read the car. And so yeah, these are all the different cars you guys can code from the BMW 1 Series, as you can see, and it has the different years too, like the F20 model, the F21 from 2011. If you go all the way down, you could even code Mini Cooper, all right? But this car right here is a BMW 5 Series, so we're just going to stick into that, and it's going to automatically connect. All right? The later versions of the scanners, they might work a little bit faster than this one. This one is pretty older, but I mean, it's still going to get the job done regardless. So if you guys want to get a later version, or even I think BimmerCode has their own version, you guys could purchase that too. So yeah, like I said, links will be all up in the description if you guys want to copy them. All right, so yeah, once you're in the app, keep trying Wi-Fi. So we're just going to do that. I believe for the iChime, it is going to be in the head unit, right? So you guys just want to press head unit. Now it's checking all the different codes that you guys can unlock in your car. And mind you, every car is going to be different, every model, all right? So if you guys have the E series, right, such as the E90 3 series from like 2011 and back, you guys might not have this option for your car because it's not updated or whatever. So yeah, every car is going to be a little bit different in the coding app, in the settings and stuff like that. So not everything will be there for you guys. But this is a 2015 5 series. So this one fortunately has the iChime. All right, so once you're in there, as you can see, it is right here, the second one, audio. And you can actually customize how loud you want it to be. So right now mine is set at 40%. I'm just gonna leave that. But if you go to warning chime, and warning chime just means like all the warnings. So if you're riding around with no seatbelt, you're gonna get that chime. If you, let's say, are driving and you open up your door or something, you're gonna get that chime. And just different stuff, all right? But here you have the BMW iChime, you have the regular BMW warning chime, you have the Mini Cooper chime, and then you also have Rolls Royce. So for this video, I'm actually gonna switch it to the Rolls Royce. That way you guys could hear it. And then after that, I'm just gonna switch it back. But so what you want to do is just press what you want. So in this case, we're doing Rolls Royce. You could, like I said, you could set the volume to whatever you want. Matter of fact, I'm gonna switch mine to 50%. And you can even customize the ringtone as well, but we're gonna leave it like that. And you guys just want to press code on the top right corner. Now this is gonna tell you that you should have your car connected to a battery if you guys do not have your car running. Right now my car is running, so I don't need a battery charger for it. So you guys could just press start coding. Now it's going to prepare the codes, and also there are going to be a lot of codes going on onto your dash and stuff, but it's totally normal. BimmerCode will delete it. So as you can see, my screen actually just went out. but it's still writing the code. We're at 50% right now, and then the screen is gonna come back up. That's actually really bothering me right there. I guess I was wiping it with something and it just smudged. But yeah, as you can see, it's resetting the ECU, and the car should do the Rolls-Royce chime. All right, so really the chime is going to be once you start driving around, you will hear it. Once you start driving around and you don't have your seatbelt on, then you will most likely hear it. But I'm actually blocked in the driveway, so I'm not going to take the car out. But that is how you typically will code. That is how you will code the chime for what you guys want it to be. All right. So yeah, I'm actually going to change that back to the BMW iChime. And also, if you guys are doing that, you might as well change the animation too, right? So what you guys saw, I had the BMW M animation, but I'm actually going to change mine to the Rolls-Royce, or to the I animation, which is like the BMW i8, and I believe the i3 has it too. So we're going to change that, and then the graphics, once the car starts up, is going to be different. So I'm going to press back, and then we're going to go to code, start coding. All right, so yeah, like I said, the screen is going to go blank, and then once it's done, it's going to show how the Rolls-Royce animation starts up. All right, let me show you guys. Yeah, this is going to be the Rolls-Royce animation. Resetting the ECU. Oh, I'm sorry. I did the BMW i animation. I thought I switched it to the Rolls-Royce. So yeah, that's how you switch the animation as well. So if you guys want the iChime and also the i animation, you guys could do that. Or if you want to even do it differently, if you want the iChime but you want the M startup animation, you guys could do that as well. So you guys could customize it how you want. It's pretty straightforward. Everything's in the app. But like I said, if you guys don't have these features in your car, then you're not going to be able to do it. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like if you guys enjoyed today's video, and also comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Hopefully I could get back to you on it. If you guys want to more information on how to code your car, I could do that. I can make a separate video for you guys. If you guys want to learn how to do MHD tuning and stuff like that, let me know down in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.